Warning, your factory surveillance system might have serious blind spots, allowing unauthorized access and mysterious inventory losses. Today, we reveal an AI-powered surveillance camera that will transform your security operations forever. Factories often deal with unpredictable lighting conditions, making surveillance difficult. This 4MP 4.3x ultra-low light WDR camera is equipped with a 1 or 1.8-inch sensor, capturing clear images even in 0.0005 lux darkness. With 150 dB WDR and a 50 MIR range, it ensures precise monitoring whether installed at factory gates, loading docks, or warehouse interiors, keeping every detail in sight. Did you know that many factories struggle with unauthorized vehicle access and parking violations? This AI-powered camera features intelligent traffic analytics, automatically identifying incoming and outgoing vehicles, recognizing license plates, vehicle types, and even movement patterns. Whether monitoring industrial park roads, key factory routes, or hazardous storage areas, this system helps regulate traffic and prevent unauthorized access. Large factory entrances often experience heavy traffic, making monitoring a challenge. This AI-powered camera supports high-speed and multi-lane detection, capable of tracking vehicles moving at up to 120 km per hour while covering up to 3 lanes simultaneously. Whether installed at loading docks, employee parking lots, or factory perimeters, it ensures full visibility, preventing asset loss and unauthorized intrusions. Many surveillance systems fail to handle low light conditions and high-speed vehicle tracking. Compared to competitors like Axis, ACTI's AI-powered camera delivers superior AI analytics while cutting costs by 30% to 50%. This means higher security levels for your factory without breaking your budget. Eliminate security vulnerabilities in your factory. This AI-powered surveillance camera helps you take full control of facility security, minimize risks, and improve operational efficiency. Click the link below to learn more and secure your factory today.